Here we will see a small video how to spot an electrical overhead power transmission line during heavy rain and flood. This is very uncommon practice and required all electrical safety precautions. Only electrical HT maintenance teams can apply this after adopting all required safety. Untrained technicians don't apply this, please. Before starting this sport work, the electrical feeder line should be disconnected and also isolated from both sides, and make sure it's on earth from main stations or nearby ABS switches. On site, put the power line to earthing physically also. Now give support to pole with a crane. The crane should be 4x4 heavy duty and can travel inside flood. Also, the crane operator should be an expert. After rain, when the flood reduces, put the concrete to support poles.